Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Today I'm very happy when I can take part in this class and make friends with everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hoa. I come from Thanh Hoa province. When I'm living Hanoi now, I'm 21 years old. I'm a student at Hanoi University of Energy. My major is accounting. It's very difficult and it takes hard work and careful. I'm a singer. In free time, I like listening to music, reading books, and listening to audiobooks. But I don't like watching films because it takes a long time. My family have a people includes my parents, my brother, and me. My parents are farmers. My brother is a student. I love my family. In the future, I want to master English. I want to become a accountant. Good luck for you. Thank you for watching.